Look at all the emergency fire vehicles. Look at the old style fire engine. Shall we play with it? Here it is with our friend the mouse driver. Look at the water hose hanging down at the back of the fire engine truck. And here is a water storage tank which stores all the water our fire truck will need for putting out fires. Look at the water squirting out. It's squirting everywhere. We need to connect our water tank with the fire truck. Great! Once we have filled up the fire truck, we can drive away. Great! Look at Mouse Driver as we drive off. Ah, look what we have found here. The fire mouse has seen a fire. So he will squirt it with water from the fire hose and the fire will be put out. Now the fire is out, the hose is retracting back into the fire truck. Off we go. Oh no! It's another fire. Out comes the hose to squirt water on the fire again. And the fire is out now, so the hose retracts again. Off we go again. What will we find now? Ah, look, here's a very big fire. It's a house on fire. Out comes the hose to squirt water on the fire again. All that water does its job, and so the hose retracts back into the truck again. Yes. Off we go again. Where are we going now with Mouse Driver and his fire truck? Ooh, now we have arrived at a large owl. This bird is bigger than Mouse Driver and it's standing on an explosive. Can you see? Boom! The explosive explodes, but Mouse Driver continues on his way. But oh no! Now Mouse Driver sees his mouse friend stranded on top of a cheese tower. Mouse Driver thinks quickly and lets his friend down the fire ladder to safety. Great! Now Mouse Driver leaves his fire engine because he's finished his work for today. That was the old style fire engine truck. Let's play with another vehicle next. Will you choose one?